Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Device. Then we have to scroll down again to enter version, and here tap on a version number multiple times until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. So keep tapping on it, and if you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter to confirm the whole step. Now we've got the information that we are in the developer mode indeed, so now we can go back and go to System and Update. Then enter developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, this list is really long, so for sure you will find something interesting here. If you wish to turn on the option, simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top to turn them off. You will need to restart the device to hide the developer options. I don't want to do it. However, after restarting, your device will hide developer options. They will not be visible right here. But of course, no worries. You can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step, or actually version number step, and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.